Y'all check it out. Yesterday, game warden pulled up my yard, full of them. Crazy shit. Went to jail, just got out. That video I made about that damn hawk, Lord have fucking mercy. Don't y'all fuck with a hawk. Let me show you something. Hold it there for a minute, let you read it. That damn hawk now. Shit. I got a fucking court date on that bastard. No shit. Beating on the damn door. Don't fuck with the goddamn game on, I don't guess. That video was made in May. They couldn't give me a citation just because it was too far gone and it was brought to their attention. I didn't hurt that hawk. I fed him and I put him back. I love animals. But the hell, that damn hawk put me in jail, y'all. I'm just giving y'all a piece of damn advice. Don't fuck with a damn bird of prey. On the side of this fucking thing says, wildlife molesting or killing bird of prey, not bald eagle. Molesting. Look, hawk is my favorite damn bird. Molesting? Oh, might have did blow in his butthole now, because he did have some flying ticks come out of him. But killing him, no. I love animals. Except the little poisonous fucking snakes I see. But yeah. Hey, this is a cool thing to tell y'all now. I thought it was tickling, and everybody around me thinks it's tickling. But y'all, hey, don't fuck with the damn birds of prey. Don't do it. If you see that motherfucker on the side of the road, Lord, don't even stop and try to shoo him. Don't go, get out the road. You just ride right, dodge that son of a bitch. Ride right on around him. On around. Yep. Don't fuck with hawks. I don't know if owls probably too. Yeah, and it says something about bald eagle, and the bald eagle was kind of on the side. So Lord, don't fuck with a bald eagle. You probably get some prison time out of that one. Just I ain't talking shit about anybody. Them DNR had to do their job. They got a warrant. They had to serve it. Nothing bad with them. Nothing. But I'm just telling y'all, don't fuck with the birds of prey. Could have been worse, I guess. But we'll find out eventually. But y'all have a good one, all right? Later, y'all.